Okay, so this will be a quick walkthrough of Marcus, the market tracking employee that we have built out for a aircraft company that we're working with. And basically what this does is that it takes in alerts from a aircraft data source provider called JetNet. So it takes in alerts that look something like this. As you can see, there are tons of alerts each day, and these have many alerts within them, like changing asking price, changing airframe total time, which the company that we've been working with have been manually updating in their own database. But now we are going to do that, or we're doing that for them. So we take in those alerts, we extract the details from those alerts, and we go ahead and we use AI to determine what alerts, or to basically classify the different alerts into different sections. And some alerts need to be sent directly to their team. So we're sending some alerts that are more important to their actual team, but most of the alerts we are automatically updating inside of the workflow that is this one, which is quite complex. But what it does is that we look at taking all the alerts, and we first check if the make of the aircraft that the alert is about, if we have that in the hub or in the database, which they call the hub. If we don't, we go ahead and find if the manufacturer is in their database. If they don't have the manufacturer, we go ahead and we create the manufacturer in the database. We create the make, we create the model, and we create the aircraft, and that the alert is about. But if they do have the make, so for instance, if they have a Boeing, but they don't have the 737, we, like the model, we go ahead and we create the model, the 737, and then we create the aircraft. If they have the make and the model, but they don't have that specific aircraft with that specific serial number, we go ahead and we create that aircraft. But for most aircraft, they actually have those aircrafts. So what we go ahead and do is we route the different alerts from the classification we did previously with AI to basically go ahead and do different sorts of updates. So the first one is, for instance, the registration number. That one is going to automatically be updated inside of the database. We're automatically updating the registration number, and for airframe total time updates, we are updating the airframe total time and also the engine times. For a new base, we are updating the base, etc., etc. So we're doing all these different updates, and all this is Marcus is doing all these different updates, and they're all being tracked inside of this shared Google Sheet. So we can have visibility on what's happening for each of these aircrafts, for these alerts, and also showing them inside of their database, and also on JetNet to see that things are moving like they should, that Marcus is doing his job correctly. And same thing goes for the alerts we're sending out to the team, and also the new manufacturers' makes and models. So that is basically what Market does.